Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchn with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Yeah, I forgot what day it was. Oh my goodness, we're like at the weekend again. Yay! Well, today I'm going to be working on my dragon in a cup. It says baby dinosaur. They're so funny. I love how they explain things in China. It's strange. And for some reason, I'm not sure why this little bee is here, but sure, what the heck. So, I started this last night. I just kept stitching. And I'm working on the dragon head. And I've got it upside down, so I don't know if you can see where the dragon's at, but yeah. And I got this from VIP Cross Stitch. So I thought, why not? And it's not that big. And I'm working with one color, so this is the end of that thread. Yeah, I finally just couldn't see anymore, so some days I'm stitch like that. Just stitch until you can't see anymore. But, yeah. So what is everybody up to? Do you have plans for the weekend? Anything going good? Or is it still hot where you're at? It's not real hot here today. It's 70 maybe out there. Sun's out. That's a good thing. Not as dreary as yesterday was. I'm having an issue with these colors here. So we're just gonna do this the way we think it's supposed to go. Yeah, this will be a nightmare when it comes to back stitching, so we'll see how much back stitching it actually gets. Not planning on doing anything. I think my daughter is going to come and not today, I don't think. She's got to do her yard first, but she's supposed to come sometime this weekend to weed whack the yard. Oh crap. Well, those scissors are on the floor. I'm not going after them right this second. So, I don't know what day that will be, and she said something about Walmart, so I'm not sure if we'll go to Walmart or not. I do have to run into town sometime today. Not real sure when. Gotta go get something for my son-in-law's birthday. Trying to figure out where this symbol starts. So no grand plans for this weekend, which is fine with me. I can sit and just watch Netflix or whatever. I watched a really good show on Netflix yesterday. It was in 6 parts, but each part was like 25 minutes long-ish. And it was called, for pity's sake, no, that's not what it was called. It was called Keep Breathing. Has anybody else seen that? It's about a girl who takes a flight on like a Cessna-sized plane, and the plane crashes, and it goes from there. But it was really good. It was really well worth watching. So, I watched that last night, and seriously, Okay, you just got to go over here. Whoop. Because you're just right in my way of stitching there. Put you over there. But other than that, didn't do too much of anything. Did take a 2-hour nap, and that exciting as hell. Today I've got to get some things done around here, so I got to run into town though and get a pair of gloves. I'm not sure where I'm going to go to get those. May have to go to the hardware store to get them. And I really hate going there because they're terribly, terribly expensive. But I want something kind of heavy duty. It'll cover my hands because I don't know if we'll have to pull weeds or pick up sticks or break sticks. I don't want to do that with my hands. So, we'll see. We'll see. But today would be a nice day to do it if it can just hold off from raining too horribly much. Oh, goodness. I don't know if I have to go to the grocery store or not. I'm kind of debating whether or not to go. So, don't know that that'll get done today. Trying to... Oh my goodness. Okay, that's not working. Sometimes they're just too small to be crimped up. It kind of impedes my stitching. But yeah, I just sat there and stitched. I've got practically his whole front part of his head there done. So it's not taking too long. I don't think the stitching will be the problem. And it hasn't been too terribly confettied, which is a real good thing. I like that part real well. But I just got little pieces of each of those thread colors and just did, whoops, wrong place, did the area, you know, that needed it the most. And I kind of worked from his eye out. And this material is still kind of sit there, kind of stiff, so it doesn't want to cooperate too well. Okay, for today, the first number is 6. Number 6. I'm not real sure how this is going to look just stitched. May have to add a little bit of back stitching, but I'm not going to get too carried away. Like I've said 100 times before, heaven knows we have enough 310 to cover anything. could probably cover an entire canvas that was probably 80 by 80 with all the 310 that I have. Between it and 3865, I could do a whole checkerboard. Did pull out the diamond painting and did that for a little bit. Oh, do not even. That's why this is still hanging fire. It's getting a little difficult to stitch here because it's getting tight. There's stitches all the way around, so take them one at a time. Maybe? Yeah. Yeah, the sewing method is not working when we get in this far of a corner. I didn't put the, oh, there's supposed to be a French knot for his eye. So, I haven't done that, and it goes right there. But, haven't put that in. I'll wait till the end. Oh my God, would you stop it? I'm just going to give it a clip. Then maybe it'll stop bending in half about every time I pick it up. Come on. This kind of runs in rivers, so it's pretty easy to stitch, you know, just the cross stitch part. Let me turn it around. So see, I've almost got all that, and I'm working on these black, what do you call them, stars. They have black stars, red stars, blue stars, and I just lost that needle. Are you kidding me? Oh, no, I didn't. Sit there. Holy cow. Sometimes I don't even have to move, and I lose a needle. Where did it go? Telling you, it's a day. Do I really want to go out in that traffic with those people that are out there driving? My daughter said she almost got in 3 accidents just getting to Boys and Girls Club today with the kids. She couldn't believe the way people were driving. It's insane. Start up here. So we'll see how fast this goes. This is going to be the long part, putting all that red color, or red symboled color in, which is, I don't know, number 6 is 369. Must be a green. No, it's, or yellow green, I should say. So we'll just take it one bit at a time, but it wasn't very big, and it's only a partial, so we can do this. The birds were swarming the bird feeder today, I guess because it was cold this morning. I actually turned on the heat for, oh, I think it ran for 15-20 minutes. And then it shut off. We're good. But it hasn't come back on. It just enough to take the chill off the house. It was like 60-some degrees. It said it was only going to get to 69 today, so figured that'd be a good day to work in the yard, but we'll see. Ouch. That didn't feel good. But I'm enjoying working on this. It's not too difficult. So far, so good. I like all these green colors together. So we'll see how far I get on this. Haven't stitched on anything else. The other night I worked on the pandas, but not for very long because I was just too tired. I think that was Wednesday night. Like, nope, I can't even see this. So, it'll get there, one hot moment at a time. But I like working on it too. It's not too big. I'm gonna have to crunch this, what do you call it, canvas a little bit more. It's just so stiff. Joy Sundays are always stiff. I mean, it feels nice on the outside, but it's stiffer than stiff. That's why I like some of those cheaper kits. But couldn't find this in that, so here we are. I didn't even know it was a Joy Sunday. Maybe I did and I just didn't pay attention, but yeah, I've been looking at this for forever. The second number for today is number 24. 24. Hope you're enjoying these extravaganzas. I'm collecting the numbers and watching the videos. Kind of hard to see these stars. We have stars and pluses and upside down diamonds. It's special. All in about the same shade. It's either black or dark navy blue. Come on. I love how that tail always gets stuck in there. It's something else. Trying to get hold of the needle so I don't drop it and get rid of all the threads. Let me whip it around here. So I about got his head right here done. There's more of his, I don't know, the spikes that stick out of his head up there, but we'll see. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We will see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.